In this video, I'm going to show you how we can simulate helical flow in COMSOL Multiphysics. This is our domain, and we have inlet and outlet boundary conditions. The other boundaries are treated as well. The objective is to find the velocity distribution inside the helix. Let's get started. For our start, we click on Model Wizard. In this model, we have 3D, so we select 3D, and we have fluid flows. So here we open fluid flow, single phase flow, and we have turbulent flow. So we open it and we use turbulent flow chi epsilon. Okay, click on study. Here we need to select our study, and we have steady state simulation or stationary. So we select stationary. Okay. We need to create our geometry, so right click geometry 1. We need to select a helix, so here we select helix. Okay, the number of third 3, and they are good. If you want you can change. So here this is our helix, and it's good, but if you want, for example, a different helix, so you can change major radius or minor radius or another factor that you have here. Okay, now the second step is selecting the fluid, the fluid of our domain, and here our fluid is air, so right click, add material from library, and here we can select air. Okay, the next step is defining the boundary conditions. So here turbulent flow, right click, and here we select inlet. Okay, so this is our inlet. Okay, and the inlet velocity is 1. Right click again, and now we need to select our outlet. Okay, it is our outlet, and for outlet we use 0 for pressure, so the pressure at the outlet is 0, or actually the atmospheric pressure or relative pressure, and its value is 0. Okay, and another boundary are treated as well, you see. Okay, now we need to create a mesh, so click on mesh 1, and here we click build all. Okay, so the mesh has been completed, and now we want to check our mesh, and then we need to run our model. So this is our mesh, and here we have boundary layers. Okay, now click on stationary here. Okay, and now we click on compute. Okay, the run has been completed, and now we want to see our result. So it is our velocity distribution, it is our pressure. You can see in the inlet we have high pressure, and at the outlet we have a minimum pressure because it's actually drawing force for fluid flow. Okay, but here you can see the velocity distribution is not suitable, showing as this method. So we need to change it. So here we delete it. Okay, and we use a streamline. Okay, and for a streamline we use the inlet boundary, and here you can see the streamline, and here we can change our streamline, so now it is better, you see. Okay, and also we can, for example, if you want see the variation, so here we can use a color. Okay, so here you can see the velocity, also you can see the velocity distribution and velocity in actually a different location of our domain. But also we can check the phase of the flow. So here we can check, for example, we can use animation here. Okay, but here we can use a streamline. Okay, and here we can